great. We have Aaron here, and Aaron came to me because of the chronic ankle issue and also the lower back pain.
Yep.
Yeah, please talk to me about the ankle problem, how it started.
So I was taking a martial arts class and I rolled it pretty heavy and basically I thought, this was 4 years ago. I thought I was a pretty healthy guy and thought it would just kind of fix itself. I splinted it and was working as a waiter at the time and kind of kept walking on it. I don't know if that was great, but yeah, pain never really went away. Yeah, decreased obviously, but now I play golf and do other things and it flares up and I kind of had to take a second to say, hey, if I don't do anything about this now, I'm going to be in trouble. So I had seen your work and how you've helped others, and I thought that that'd be a good opportunity to try.
Great. And you also had lower back pain.
Yeah, similarly in the same kind of vein, just kind of hold it in doing a motion and thought that would go away, massage, chiropractic type of things. And it wasn't quite going away. And so with the activities that I do, I kind of, and you've mentioned I work a lot with the lower body, but also have success with backs and upper body stuff. And I said, okay, cool, maybe we can get this to work. And you mentioned how glutes is a main driver and all that kind of stuff. So I wanted to see what the training could do for me.
Right. And you also actively play golf.
Yes, correct.
Right. And how does this
and so I didn't want to have poor load into that right. It's on my right side. Poor load into my right side. The ankles got to keep me stable. And then if you pull your low back, you're probably done. So I wanted to make sure that I could continue to play for as long as possible. So
at which week did you start to see like significant difference in your ankle and lower back?
Low back, I would say at like the 5-week mark. Ankle at like the 6-week mark, 7-week mark.
Okay, gotcha.
And so I could the season's been late this year, but it's been a little muddy. And so when, around 6 weeks, I could really feel myself loading that right side a lot better. And that's when I knew it was working. So.
Right. I mean, a lot of people, they have, chronic back pain. They're stuck. They don't believe it can be rid of, but you experience firsthand, it can be, right?
Yes, I have.
But the very, very important thing is from the week 5, you play golf, but you never had the back pain again, right?
No. Yeah.
So that's the difference, because a lot of people say, yeah, we fix back pain, but then it comes back. You had a little story that you told me, like you were trying to aim for a 150 yard, but the ball went.
Yeah, I usually I had a club that I usually hit at 150-ish and I've sailed it a couple times. I've hit it really well, and I feel really good when I'm out there. I have a lot of energy, feel really good after rounds, and yeah, I've skied a few, and that's not like messing it up. It's hey, this is the yardage I usually hit it, and it's been going farther lately, so that's been great.
Right. So the power increased. So we we talk about this, that once your glutes start to get more connection, of course the power increases. So then you have to kind of adjust your swing a little bit to address, you have to address the finesse part and the control. But like for baseball players, they don't have to worry about that. They just hit it. So
must be nice.
Yeah.